We always talk about machine shops and the impact machine tending robots have on the business. You're able to quote faster and more accurately, so you win more work. You have real control over your costs, so you come down the cost curve and are more profitable. You have greater control over your production and can expand your production footprint with fewer people, not more. You don't need another CNC machine to get that increase. You need to get more out of the ones you already have. The robot does that. But what about you? As a machine shop leader, what impact does that robot have on you? How do you feel when the calls from unhappy customers stop and they turn into calls from new customers who heard that you keep your delivery promises? How do you feel when the margins are thicker than the chips you're making? How does it feel to know you've shrunk the competitive pool because you're really only competing against those machine shops that have RoboJob robots? To move towards knowing what all this feels like, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.